Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove a gamma watermark from a presentation. Let's get started. First, open Canva and click on the presentation tool. Next, go to the left panel and click on Uploads. Then, click on Upload Files and select the PPT file you want to edit. Wait a few moments while Canva uploads your presentation. Once the file has been uploaded, click on the three dots next to the file and select Open in New tab. Your presentation will now open in a new editing window. Go through the slides and locate any gamma watermarks. Then, remove them from each slide where they appear. After you've finished editing the presentation, click on the Share button in the top right corner of the screen. Next, click on Download and choose PPT as the file type. Finally, click the Download button and wait for the presentation to be saved to your device. Once the download is complete, open the file from your Downloads folder and check the slides. You should now see the presentation without the watermarks you removed. And that's it. This is how to remove a gamma watermark from a presentation using Canva. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.